Let's reset your life in 30 days. Day 1 of yoga series. Sit with cross-legged. Close your eyes. Hands on heart. Let's go of the noise. Inhale and slowly breathe out. Now cat and cow asana. Move with the breath. Up, inhale. Curve your spine. Exhale. Gently move into downward dog, which is also known as Adho Mukha Svanasana. Feel your body waking up. Drop your knee down. Extend your arms. Move into child pose. It will help you to relax your mind and soul like a newborn baby. Inhale, exhale. Gently come into a proper position. This was day 1 of yoga series. Start your day in pace within 5 minutes. This is day 2 of yoga series. So first you have to sit in Sukhasana, cross-legged, and hold your knee with your left hand. Give a proper side stretch. Arms over your head to the left side and switch the side. This helps to open up your side muscles. Now we will gently move into Paschim Uttanasana. Straight your legs and gently fold your upper body, taking a support of your spine, and hold your toe. Exhale, and hold for 2 seconds, and slowly come up. Inhale. Now we will do Asva Svanchalanasana, low lunges. So first right foot forward and twist your upper body towards right side and left hand on the mat. Knee should be down and lift your chest up. Inhale and hold for few seconds. Now sit into Sukhasana, easy seated. Normally as you sit, cross-legged, eye closed. Inhale, exhale. So this was day 2 of our yoga series. One pose to instantly reduce anxiety. Day 3 of yoga series. So first sit into Vajrasana. Wide your knee. Arm reaching forward. Forehead on the mat. Eyes closed. Focus on your breath. Breathe in through your nostril. Slowly breathe out through your mouth. This will release your tension. Let go every tension out with the breath. Slowly come up. So 30 seconds of stillness can reset your nervous system. So this was day 3 of our yoga series. Yoga for lazy people but powerful. Day 4 of yoga series. Move into Sukhasana. Start by rolling your neck. This releases your tension, anti-clockwise direction. Second, hold your knee with your right hand and left arm over your head and feel a open up of your side. 1. Inhale. Third one is seated twist. Gently twist yourself on the right side. This helps for your spine and also for your digestion. Even a lazy stretch can bring a big result. This was day 4 of our yoga series. Feeling overwhelmed? Try this reset flow. Day 5 of our yoga series. So we will do first is child pose, which is also known as Balasana. So drop your chest grounded on the mat. Second, we will do is cat and cow. Inhale, lift your heart up. Exhale, round your spine. Now, legs straight. Hold your toe. Hold your upper body to give support of your spine. Inhale, exhale. Now, come into Sukhasana. Twist one side. Twist another side. So this was day 5 of our yoga series. Struggling to be consistent? Do this. Day 6 of our yoga series. So first, cross-legged. Hold your knee. Inhale, exhale. Second thing we will do is neck stretch and shoulder rotate. So start Clockwise rotation. 1. Anti-clockwise. 1. Now straight your arms. Hold your shoulder. Rotate. 1. 2. Anti-clockwise. 1. 2. This will take only a minute to do it. So do it. Stretch your spine. Relax. Now we will do is cat and cow pose. Inhale. Lift your heart up. Exhale. Round the spine. Whole thing we will do is side stretch. So normally you have to sit into Sukhasana. Hold your knee and arms overhead on the left side. So that's your practice. Small steps, big shift. So this was day 6 of our yoga series. This is our week 1 check-in, day 7 of yoga series. So sit comfortably with notepad and pen. Take a moment to write what shifted this week in my body, my breath and my mind. Or you can comment your answer referring to the given question on screen. So now we will do one restorative pose. Keep your notepad and pen side. Lie down on your mat. Take the sole of your feet together. And for support, you can keep your cuisine or yoga blocks down to your knee, which is not with me right now, but I am showing you how to do it. Keep your hands on your belly or your heart. Relax for a few seconds. Inhale, exhale. Gently come into Sukhasana. This was day 7. Mention in the comment or share with the person who needs it.